Kunkun is a free open-source app launcher designed as a cross-platform alternative to tools like Raycast and Alfred. And in this video, I'll show you how to download and install it safely on Windows. Start by opening the official Kunkun download page. Avoid third-party download websites because the official site and GitHub repository provide the verified release files. Select Windows or open the official GitHub releases page and choose the latest stable version. As of July 2026, the latest stable release shown is version 0.1.37. For a standard 64-bit Windows computer, you will see two suitable installer options: an x64 setup exe and an x64 MSI file. I'm using the setup exe because it provides the simplest normal installation process. Once the file finishes downloading, open it from your Downloads folder. If Windows displays a security message, first confirm that the file came from the official Kunkun website or the official Kunkun GitHub repository, and do not continue with a file from an unknown source. Follow the installer steps, choose the installation location if that option appears, and complete the installation. Now open the Start menu, search for Kunkun, and launch the application. On the first launch, allow it a moment to initialize and load its interface. You should now see Kunkun's launcher and commands, confirming that the application installed successfully. Kunkun also supports community extensions, but only install extensions after reviewing their requested permissions and source. One important limitation is that Kunkun's own documentation says the Windows installer is not yet fully tested and may have compatibility problems, so your result can depend on your Windows version and system configuration. If the application opens correctly, the installation is complete. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to configure Kunkun and install your first useful extension.